Well, it's a huge honor to have Sonu Nigam and Raju Singh with us. They've come out with a beautiful song, Bas Itna Hai Kehna, from this short film called Raak, directed by Milav Zaveri. So huge pleasure to have you guys on Bollywood, first of all.
Thank you very much. Good to see you once again.
And it was wonderful to listen to your voice in that particular song. And somehow it's absolute magic. Where do you just manage to just keep on doing these magical things again and again, sir? And it's very happy to hear your voice in any song.
Thank you very much. Truly appreciate it. This work is special because it is composed by, the song has been composed by somebody who is not just a composer to me, but my best friend for the last 24 years. The first friend I had in Mumbai when I came to Mumbai from Delhi was Raju Singh. Right. And we have had some really endearing moments. He's like a brother. In fact, he's the one who has introduced me to programming arrangements, getting acquainted with MIDI system, and even earlier, like 1995, 96. So we have had that kind of understanding, that kind of love for each other. We have cried with each other. We have laughed like crazy, but mush is like with each other. And when we do something together, it's bound to reflect differently from what I do when I'm working with other people. So this song is special, and that is why, even though it's a short film, it's getting so much of mileage and it's getting so much of respect.
Absolutely. So many people have this question that your music sounds so fresh, the guitar riffs and everything, and the best part is like the arrangements are minimalistic, so it's sounding even better. Why don't we hear Raju Singh too often? It's something that many people have this question.
So a short answer is to keep it fresh.
To keep it fresh. No, but still, I'm sure that many people would love to see much more of your.
Yeah, but you know what? I've got a certain style which I am confident about, and I do that with a lot of passion and love. And when that happens, that's the time I want that song to come out. You know?
So I'll tell you the other reason behind this. Raju Singh is a very dignified man. Over the years that I've known him, he's not somebody who doesn't want success, but he's not someone who will give up anything for success. He will achieve it in a very dignified way. He has a lot of goodwill. People respect him as a musician. He's not considered a fraud composer. He's considered as someone who's a genuine musician. He has taught people music, guitars, and everything. So that way, the respect is there, and he's happy with. As a friend I know, he's happy with what he gets. He's a satisfied man, and whenever something good happens, he does it with lots of passion, and that's what Raju Singh is all about.
Right.
He might not say
friend
himself.
normally speaks good only.
No, it's a fact. In fact, I have this bone of contention between both of us. I tell him to be slightly more aggressive, but that's what his nature is, and I appreciate and I accept it and respect it.
I tried it a lot of times. Went home in front of the mirror and tried to be aggressive.
In fact, it's wonderful to see Sonu Nigam the way he is looking right now, because last time when we interviewed him, he had this operation, and it's great to, in fact, see you back in this avatar, sir. And so as I spoke to you about this entire minimalistic, in fact, music arrangements, because the moment you have instruments which are required, everything sounds beautiful. The voice sounds beautiful. Lyrics में कहीं ना कहीं मायने आप तलाश करने की कोशिश करते हैं. अगर ज़्यादा एक cacophony होती है तो कहीं ना कहीं वो everything, it's like some people may appreciate it, but somehow everything gets lost, like, and longevity is very less. Was it like a conscious decision? Did you guys collaborate together? Did you guys work on that there should be like minimalistic?
See what happens is it's almost like cooking. If the right ingredients, नमक ज़्यादा भी हो जाए तो भी फर्क हो जाता. So especially in this song, the kind of a scenario what we had, the way we were using it for the film and the way we were connecting it to the film, I felt it has to be so simple that I wanted a song just anybody could just sing and relate to their love, loved one. And especially the words, what Bas Itna Hi Kehna, I think it's got so many intonations, like, it can be said in so many different ways that हमने गाना बनाया और बोला ये इतनी simplicity में हम करते हैं, automatically the relatability will be in different forms for every individual in their own form. And like when he was singing, he actually said, I'll sing it in this way first. So let's feel it that way. And second, then तो सब होने के बाद में then he again went, sir, अब मैं एक देता हूँ इस तरह after he came and heard. So you know, it's like using your head about what is the right requirement for what he's hearing around, and with so many little instruments, I mean less instruments, a voice has to be able to carry that whole thing, you know, because that's the front face carrying the whole song, and the words are good. So everything being there, if you don't carry it right, it doesn't matter. And I couldn't have thought of any other voice and the talent besides him.
So yesterday you had tweeted about this entire controversy that is taking place about Mohammad Rafi Saab, the way he has, it's been said in Adele Mushkil. You were quite hurt about the entire thing as well. What do you have? Because there are people who are saying that you have to look at this entire line in the context in which it is being said.
देखिए, हालांकि this is not what we are here for. We won't be here for Rakh. But I'll just give you one small thought on this. आप मजाक वो करो जो आप अपने बाप के लिए सुन सकते हो. अगर आपके बाप के लिए ये सुन के खुश हैं आप, चलेगा तो ठीक है. आपके बाप के लिए कोई ऐसे बोलेगा और आपका बाप इतना बड़ा अचीवर हो, तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? आर्ट है, जोक है. तो मेरे हिसाब से यू कैन, अगर आप वही जोक अपने माँ बाप के लिए सुन सकते हो तो फिर हम गलत हैं. और अगर आप खून खोले कि मेरे बाप को ऐसा बोला तूने, तो हम सही हैं बेटा. इतने कह सकता हूँ मैं इस पर.
But still, like you've always been I think Mohammad Rafi, in fact, a huge fan actually.
It's about एक आदमी मर चुका है. He's dead and he's not just considered a singer. He's considered a saint. People do not just look at him as a great singer. People who revere him, who know the greatness of Rafi Sahab, look at him like a saint. संत जैसे बोलते हैं ना, सेंट. अभी आपने उनको दिया, मदर टेरेसा को सेंटहुड दिया था. रफ़ी साहब को सेंटहुड का ही खिताब है हमारे सबके दिलों में. तो भाई जिसके बाप को ऐसा बोला जाएगा वो हताहत होगा ही होगा.
Mohammad Aziz Saab, in fact, he was extremely impassioned, almost like he was on verge of tears when he was talking in the video that has come out. In fact, Rafi Saab's son has issued a statement today as well. Somewhere many people are of this opinion that it's gone a bit overboard.
I do not want to comment much more over this. I just, as I said earlier, अगर आप वही जोक को इम्प्लीमेंट कर लें अपने पेरेंट्स के ऊपर, तो आपको लगे कि वो सही है तो फिर सही है. ठीक है, इतने कहूँगा.